In a previous video, I taught you lovelies how to select your zone preferences with Skip the Dishes. And in this video, I got another quick tutorial that's going to be a 2-for-1 deal. I'm going to teach you how you can actually add your availability with Skip the Dishes, but additionally, how to add extra hours so that Skip will intentionally schedule you for those hours. Now this one, I'm actually going to give kudos to my brother because this was something I did not know about. And if you have additional things that you want to help pay it forward to other gig workers and you want it made it done into a video, simply hit me up on Instagram. I'd be happy to look over it and make that content so we can help other drivers get started on gig work. Now for Skip the Dishes, to make your availability available, we're going to go ahead and click on the bottom second icon, the one that looks like a calendar, and we're going to click there. Now I have my availability all set with the exception of Saturday. So I'm going to use a Saturday example to show you how to do it. You're going to go ahead, in this case, I'm going to click on add availability on the plus sign. Now here's something important if you don't want to do this repetitively every single week. I'm simply going to select my time to start. So let's say I'm going to put 8 a.m. and I'm going to select my time to end, and let's say it's 3:30 in the afternoon. If you're available all day, so the 24-hour period, just click available all day. But if you want to repeat your schedule and not have to go in every week and do this, it says repeat every Saturday, and there is a toggle button right here. You toggle it on, and then it's going to repeat it every single week for you. Then in this case, my 8 to 3:30 would be available. This teaches Skip that I'm available to do that shift, and they can pencil me in. Once you're done that, you're going to go ahead and click on confirm availability. Now, if I want to remove it, because I don't want to work on the Saturday with Skip, all I got to do is go back in, click on the trash can on the right-hand side at the top there. So I got 2 selections I can choose from. Delete only that one day or all of the series because I put that it's on repeat. So I'm going to delete all my Saturday availability, and now it's gone. Now the thing is though, is Skip also has one additional thing to make scheduling easier. It's for you to be available with them and for them to know what hours, how many hours a week that you want. Now in my books, if I'm putting my availability and I'm putting in those hours, that should speak wonders, but apparently it doesn't for Skip. So let me show you one other thing. If you see on the right hand corner here, there's a little gear icon. If I go ahead and click on there, there is a scheduling preferences. We're going to click on there. From there, it says these settings are stored every Wednesday at midnight to generate your weekly schedule on a Thursday. So the schedule is not currently out right now in my area, and I know that because I've checked my schedule. But if you want to make yourself have an available amount of hours with Skip the Dishes, there is a no preference, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, or over 20 hours. So mine are marked as over 20 hours, and I saved my settings. By you doing this, you are making Skip be aware that when their scheduling system comes out for my shifts, that you are available to work those shifts and work more hours. Currently, right now, it is Thursday, and it's not updated. But every Thursday, at least in my market, check for your market to see if it's different. They will update this for you, and then this way you can be penciled in with more hours. I'm not going to say it's a perfect system because it's not. I have seen it that I've been scheduled under the 20 hours. But this way, Skip does have more of a clear indication that it's not just available, but you want this specific amount of hours, and they're going to pencil you in. So I hope this helps you with your availability and your scheduling with Skip the Dishes. And I'll catch you lovelies in the next video.